We like to think of the Old Testament as fixed, as something passed down like a sealed envelope, a revelation whole and untouched. But tradition, like Scripture, rarely offers such clarity. Ezra, the scribe and priest, is the figure of legend. They say he gathered the scattered texts after the exile, imposing order on the chaos of a fractured people. He gave them something solid, something to believe in. As always, the reality resists simplicity. The Torah wasn't finalized until the 5th century BCE, long after Ezra. The prophets and writings took even longer, molded by unnamed hands across centuries. The Dead Sea Scrolls, unearthed from desert caves, reveal older versions of texts that didn't make the final cut. This was not the work of one man or one moment, but of generations, an assembly shaped by wars, empires, and shifting faiths. By the 4th century CE, Eusebius could write of a New Testament to stand beside the Old. Yet this too was not a revelation handed down, but a slow negotiation. Early church leaders debated, sometimes fiercely, over what to include. Paul's letters, the Gospels, and Revelation were contenders, but so were apocryphal texts, now forgotten. Communities across Alexandria, Antioch, and beyond clashed over criteria, apostolic authorship, theology, or sheer popularity. The Councils of Hippo and Carthage eventually formalized the canon, but by then, it was already the product of centuries of choice and conflict. It's comforting to think of Scripture as eternal and unchanging, but perhaps it's more moving to see it as it is. The work of human hands, shaped by faith, history, and the enduring search for the divine.